It's MaryJWhite again, the Cooking with Cannabis lady. And today, I want to show you guys how to make chocolate truffle balls. And let me just say right off the bat, pretty much every time I say balls, I'm probably going to laugh. So just go with it. This is a great recipe. It's extremely easy. It's not even really cooking, but it's in my cookbook. But it makes a really delicious product. Basically, what all this is I take almonds and I saute them in hemp butter because I'm a little bit slutty. And then you make like a dough, like a chocolate dough, and you put the almonds in. Keep them in the fridge, eat them when you want some CBD, everybody's happy. And this is how hard this is. I've got powdered sugar. I've got cocoa powder. I've got almond meal. Now I use almond meal because I'm using almonds and I like, to amplify the flavor a little bit. Okay? And then, of course, half a cup of really beautiful hemp butter. This is that good stuff. My friend Jerry grows this in Ellensburg, and it's beautiful, organic, sun-grown. It just makes a really nice product. And then you want to kind of start mooshing. This is a technical baking term, mooshing. When it's a little bit more consolidated, I like to put in a little bit of vanilla, a little bit, and again, about that much. And I also love the flavor of almond. But I'm going to say really be careful when you're using your almond extract because it can be a little bit chemically, So teeny, oh, the tiniest bit. Hang on. There, okay? Just a tiny bit. And of course, what do I always tell you? Don't forget the freaking salt, okay? A little dash of salt. So we're going to make this into a little dough. And then we're going to bury almonds in the middle of it. See how it's starting to come together, starting to be a little bit more cohesive. And while I'm doing this, let me give you guys a little bit of info about dosing. There are 28 grams in an ounce, okay? And with a THC cannabis, we usually average about 100 milligrams of cannabinoids, THC, per gram. With hemp, you're looking at closer to 50 milligrams of CBD per gram, okay? So if an ounce is 28, half an ounce is 14, you can do the math is what I'm trying to tell you, okay? Just divide it down. The nice thing about CBD, of course, is you don't have to worry very much at all about the dosage because unlike, regular cannabis, you're not going to get high. You're not going to get, over-medicated in any way. So I just say, relax and enjoy your CBD. And look, you guys, look at that. It's almost like a ganache, if you know what that is. It's like cream and butter and goodness all blended together. This has got that same sort of consistency, okay? So actually, I would just eat this right now because I'm a little bit slutty. But let's not do that. Oh, and speaking of sluttiness though, I did want to tell you guys the reason I almost always saute my nuts in butter is because it really brings out the flavor. But also these I sauteed in hemp butter. Now, I know I always tell you, watch out for the heat. Heat is the enemy of cannabinoids, but I figured a little bit extra is always good. So here's this really technical recipe. You know what? I'm just going to use my fingers. So here's the goo. Here's the almond. And there we go. See? Now this will firm up once it's in the fridge. And then you can kind of do this. Okay. Oh, look. Isn't that cute? Look at that cute little thing. And you just, make them cold. They get nice and firm. And then you can lick your fingers. Anyway, I'm going to make a bunch more of these, but I want to encourage you guys to enjoy some delicious chocolatey chocolate truffle almonds because They're freaking, oh look, ooh, it's like mud pies, only better. Yay. There you go, kids. Rock on. So I'm now going to clean my hands. No, I'm not. I'm going to finish making these little balls, and then I'm going to lick my fingers, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember, this recipe is in my cookbook. Oh crap, hang on. Ooh, I'm all sticky. Wait, there it is. The CBD Cookbook for Beginners. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.